Number 1. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500. With only 113,000 original miles on the odometer, it carries a clean title and remains in excellent running condition. Under the hood sits the dependable 4.3-liter Vortec V6 engine, paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission, delivering a solid balance of power and control that enthusiasts appreciate. The exterior is finished in a striking green color that retains much of its original shine, while the gray interior is exceptionally clean, showing minimal wear for its age. Both inside and out, this Sierra presents itself as a well-kept, rust-free truck that has been maintained with pride. Mechanically, the truck runs and drives great, offering a smooth and confident driving experience whether on city streets or open highways. The ice-cold air conditioning adds comfort for everyday driving, while the classic manual setup provides a more engaging connection between driver and machine. Number 2. 1983 GMC Sonoma, price $7,500, clean and well-built classic truck with 135,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, black exterior, and a tan interior, powered by a 355 cubic inch small block V8 paired with a TH350 transmission and a 3200 stall converter. The truck runs and drives great, equipped with a mild cam that gives it a strong and responsive feel. The 373 rear end delivers solid performance, while the Flowmaster True Dual exhaust provides a deep, aggressive tone. It rides on American racing rims and includes power steering and power brakes for smooth handling. The power driver's seat, working heat, and fully functional gauges and radio make it both comfortable and reliable for daily driving. The body is mostly finished with no rust, and a new rear roll pan has been installed, eliminating the exhaust holes for a cleaner look. Number 3. 1991 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,500, well-maintained classic pickup that runs great and shows pride of ownership throughout. It has 201,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission paired with a strong gasoline engine that delivers solid performance with no leaks. The truck comes in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a timeless, cohesive look. This 4x4 Chevrolet has received several recent upgrades and maintenance, including a rebuilt transmission in 2021 and a rebuilt steering column just last month. It also has a new belt, new windshield with fresh wipers, and has passed the Virginia safety inspection. Other updates include new door locks, nice all-weather tires, and a locking canopy for added security and utility. Number 4. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, featuring a V8 5.7-liter gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission that delivers strong, reliable performance. With 168,000 miles on the odometer, this silver truck with a gray interior has been well maintained and continues to run exceptionally well, offering plenty of power on the road. The AC and heater are both fully functional, and the tires are nearly new, showing almost 100% tread. A Pioneer radio adds a modern touch to the interior, making every drive more enjoyable. The current owner has possessed and driven the truck for over a year, attesting to its dependability and smooth operation. Additionally, the vehicle comes with 3 pages of documented replacement parts and includes a clear title in hand. Number 5. 1998 GMC 1500, price $8,500. This is a green 4WD truck with a tan interior and an automatic transmission. The owner has used it as a backup vehicle and a hunting truck since December 2022. It's been well maintained, with the entire front end rebuilt and several key replacements, including the intake gasket and most of the air conditioning system. Both the AC and heater function properly. The tires still have about 90% tread left, offering solid traction. The oil pressure gauge occasionally fluctuates between normal and maximum, likely due to a faulty sensor. Despite these minor issues, the truck runs, drives, and stops well. The dashboard is cracked, but overall, it remains a dependable and capable truck for everyday use or off-road purposes. Number 6. 1969 Chevrolet C10, price $6,000. This truck is a classic pickup that has traveled approximately 89,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, a blue exterior with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's powered by a 350 V8 engine that runs and drives great. The truck comes equipped with power steering and power brakes, making it comfortable and easy to handle. All the lights function properly, just as they should. One side shows some minor rust, but nothing serious. The floors are solid and in excellent condition. This C10 also comes with a clean title and current registration, making it ready for its next owner to enjoy. Number 7. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. This pickup is a black 4x4 truck powered by a 5.7 L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It has only 52,000 miles on it and features a gray interior that remains largely original. The truck has been stored inside a barn for the past few years and recently received a tune-up along with several new parts. There's some minor surface rust along the bottom of the doors, but overall, it's in solid condition. The interior is in great shape aside from the headliner, and it even still includes the factory cassette tape that originally came with the vehicle from GM, a true touch of authenticity for this well-preserved classic. Number 8. 1990 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,500, clean and reliable truck with 159,000 miles on it. It's powered by a strong 454 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering both durability and power. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a burgundy interior, giving it a classic and well-kept look. The truck comes equipped with a new alternator, new battery, and both 4 and 7-pin trailer connections, making it ready for towing or heavy-duty use. Both air conditioning and heating systems work perfectly, ensuring comfort in any weather. Overall, this Chevrolet 3500 combines classic styling, dependable performance, and practical upgrades, a solid choice for anyone looking for a powerful work truck. Number 9. 1994 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,500, with 160,000 original miles on the odometer. It's powered by a 5.0 L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering around 175 horsepower and 265 lb-ft of torque to the rear wheels. The truck features a clean title and is equipped with power steering, power brakes, and power mirrors, ensuring a comfortable driving experience. It also includes manual windows and airbags for added safety. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a clean and practical interior that seats up to 3 passengers. Overall, the Chevrolet 2500 offers a solid combination of reliability, simplicity, and classic American utility. Number 10. 1990 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,500. It has 273,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in red inside and out, this truck runs on gasoline and is powered by a 5.7 L TBI 350 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission and a manual transfer case. It starts easily, idles smoothly, and drives well, with both cold air conditioning and hot heat fully functional. Recent maintenance includes a new 4x4 actuator, ensuring the 4-wheel drive works properly, new door hinge pins for solid closing doors, a new ignition cylinder with matching door locks so one key operates everything, and a thoroughly cleaned interior. Inside, the cabin is in good shape with no rips or tears on the seats, though the driver's side door panel is missing and the headliner is sagging. Cosmetically, the body has several dents and imperfections, giving it a rugged, used look.